Good morning kids. In yesterday's class we solved some of the story problems. 4 story problems we solved in the textbook, which we are having in a which form? Vertical form. In today's class we will see the same exercise, subtraction stories of a horizontal form of subtraction we will see. Okay children, what we have to do? We have to open the textbook, page number 125, which is nothing but a subtraction stories. At first we will solve it in the textbook, and homework once again you have to resolve the subtraction stories in your notebook. So open this page. See children, page number 125. In yesterday's class, what we learned? We solved the subtraction stories. Here also, means in today's class also, we are going to solve the next subtraction stories. Question number E. At first we will read the story. There were 5 apples on a tree. On this apple tree, how many apples we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are having 5 apples on an apple tree. 3 apples fell down. How many apples were fell down here? 1, 2, 3. 3 apples fell down. How many apples are left on the tree? See children, how many apples were left on the tree? 2 apples were left, but we have to show in the form of subtraction. First we have to arrange these numbers in a column. Total how many apples we are having? Total 5 apples we are having. Total we have to take at first. In this total 5, how many apples were fell down? 3 apples were fell down. So how many apples were left? Left means we have to do the subtraction. Okay. Left remains the words if you are having taken away left, how many more than remains difference or given away. If we are having these words in our story means we have to do the subtraction. Here they given left. Left means we have to do the subtraction. In total 5, if 3 were fell down means only 2 apples were left on apple tree. So how many apples were left here? 2 apples are left on the tree. Next, question number F. There were 8 fruits in the basket. How many fruits we are having? Count it children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total apples we have to write at first. This is what? This is minuend. The first number we used to call as the minuend. Then 6 fruits were taken away. How many fruits were taken away? 6 fruits were taken away. How many fruits remains? See children, what I told? Left remains, taken away. Otherwise, how many more than, given away. The difference if they ask me, we have to find the subtraction answer. In total, 8 fruits. How many fruits were taken away? 6 fruits were taken away. How many fruits were left? Only 2 fruits were left in the fruit basket. So the difference is 2 fruits remained in the basket. Next, question number G we are having. There were 6 oranges in the plate. How many oranges we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 oranges we are having in the fruits basket, fruit plate. Then Ram ate 2 oranges. In this 6 oranges, 2 oranges were ate by Raman. How many oranges are left? Left in the basket. In total 6 oranges, 2 oranges were eaten by Raman. How many oranges were left here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 oranges were left in the plate. This is the difference. Understood children? How to read the story and how to recognize the number, arranging the numbers in a column, and how to find the difference. Okay. Moving to the next and the last topic of this exercise. Test your memory. Write the terms for each number. What we will call these terms in addition and the subtraction, we had to write. In addition, we used to call as addends. First addend and second addend. Okay. By adding these two addend, the sum means the answer we will get, we used to call as a sum. This is our FIRST, first addend. This is the first addend and next is the SECOND, second addend. Otherwise, if you wrote just addend, it is also correct. By adding these two addends, the answer what we will get, we used to call this as a SUM, sum. Okay. By adding first and the second addend, the answer we will get, we used to call as a sum. Next, moving to the next. Here, while in the subtraction, we will call this as a minuend. 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 Next is a subtrahend. SUTRAHEND. Subtrahend. By subtracting subtrahend in a minuend, the answer what we will get, we used to call as a difference. 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 Okay. First is a minuend. This is the subtrahend. By subtracting this, the answer what we will get, we used to call as a difference. 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 Okay children, today's homework, you have to resolve these story problems in notebook. As well as you have to write these terms also in your notebook about the addition and subtraction terms. This is about addition term. This is about subtraction term. We already learned this in our previous classes. While introduction of addition and subtraction classes, we learned about the terms and the types of addition and subtraction. This you had to rewrite in your notebook. Okay. Do it very properly and send it. Bye.